Pass4SAP is a Pass-Securium-based password manager for SAP systems. Installation and Mapping Guide. Step 1. Registration of Pass4SAP application in SAP. To integrate Pass4SAP into SAP, the application must first be registered. To do this, we click on the Pass4SAP application and enter the URL corresponding to the systems. Then, enter the access data for the SAP client and click the button to register the system. The SAP system is now successfully registered. Step 2. Registration of SAP clients. Once the SAP system has been registered, we have the option of registering an SAP client. To do this, we simply have to enter the client's access data. With a click on the button, the client is registered. Step 3. Mapping of users from SAP to Pass4SAP. Certain SAP users can be transferred to Pass4SAP by using the user mapping function. All we have to do is select the desired users and transfer them to Pass4SAP with one click on the registration button. We can then switch to the Pass4SAP application, and after refreshing the page, we can see that the users have already been successfully transferred. Step 4. Mapping of RFC connections from SAP to Pass4SAP. The same applies to RFC connections. A mapping function is also available for this purpose. To do this, we must select the RFC connections that we want to transfer to Pass4SAP. And with a click on the button, the desired connections are transferred. We can then switch to the Pass4SAP application. After refreshing the page, we see that a new folder called RFC has appeared. It contains the previously transferred RFC connections.